If you want to stop the League of Assassins, you gotta cut off the demon's head. Today, collectors, we have Ra's al Ghul. First appearing here in Batman number 232, he was created in 1971 by one of my favorite comic book tag teams in Dennis O'Neil and Neil Adams, with the character's name being credited to Julius Schwartz. Speaking of the name, there have been nerd fistfights over how to pronounce Mr. Al Ghul's name. So let's clear all this up. Ra's al Ghul is Arabic for the demon's head, and the correct pronunciation in Arabic is Raz. But when creating the character, Dennis O'Neil chose to use the Hebrew pronunciation, which sounded closer to Ra's. So if you say it either of those ways, technically you're right.
Am I pronouncing this right? Mr. Ra's al Ghul?
That way is incorrect, lady.
Father's name was pronounced Ra's, not Raz. A common mistake.
This story is classic from start to finish, beginning with this epic cliffhanger cover. Robin's been shot. Then you open the book and see the first page. Who is that? Who's there? Robin got shot twice. Don't worry, they were tranquilizers. Then we are introduced to Ra's al Ghul, the Lazarus pit-dipping immortal who seems to be Batman's intellectual equal, but he needs the Dark Knight's help to save his daughter Talia, presumably from the same foe who has captured Robin. And Batman remains the constant professional. Your ward and my daughter are in mortal danger. Indeed, Batman, they may already be dead, yet you show no signs of agitation. It won't do me any good for me to allow my emotions to gain control. Later I'll cry, if I must. And then Batman relives the constant guilt of his parents' murder some more. Ra's al Ghul has now appeared in cartoons and video games. He's been played by Matthew Nabel and Alexander Siddig on TV, and by Liam Neeson in the Dark Knight trilogy. If you guys want to see how it all ends, check out Batman number 232. For Comicbook.com, I'm Chris Killian, and we'll see you next issue.